The court approved the purchase of Binance U.S. assets Voyager Digital. The American division of Binance can buy assets of a bankrupt crypto creator Voyager Digital. Such a verdict was issued by Judge Michael Wiles following the results of 4-day hearings, reports The Block. In December 2022, the platform offered the highest price for Voyager assets. However, the SEC and the Department of Financial Services of the state of New York opposed the transaction. Wiles recognized certain fears, but noted the absence of real reasons for the refusal of Binance US. The deal approved by him may be blocked by the Foreign Investment Committee, which controls the acquisition of American business foreign buyers. TSM Esports organization has concluded an affiliate agreement with Avalanche. The Avalanche network has become a partner of Swift, standing behind the TSM Esports organization and the Blitz Esports app. The company plans to create its own blockchain-based subnet for tournaments. Swift also signed an agreement with the Core Bridge, which will allow players and fans to store, sell, and buy digital assets. Blitz subnet will use the native AVAX blockchain token to pay for gas and perform other operations. TSM is one of the largest esports organizations, known for its professional team in the online game League of Legends. Her Blitz subsidiary has more than 30 million users. The application provides intragame utilities for LOL, Apex Legends, Valorant, and Teamfight Tactics. The Seychellesky court approved the Coinflex restructuring plan. The Coinflex cryptocurrency derivatives platform received the approval of the restructuring plan from the Seychelles trial. The company's statement says that trade in blocked assets, including LUSD and LETH, will be suspended until the official court decision is released. Against the background of this news, the flex of the native token course increased by 17% to $1.91, according to CoinGecko. Since the beginning of the year, the asset has demonstrated positive dynamics, escaping from the bottom at 4 cents to current levels. In September, company creditors ahead of schedule supported restructuring. The plan itself suggests that borrowers will receive 65% of the company's shares. Verichains warned about critical vulnerabilities in Tendermint Core. Verichains experts have discovered several critical vulnerabilities in the widely used mechanism for confirming the consensus based on AVLDREV from the Tendermint Core protocol. This was reported by Forklog by company representatives. In October 2022, the BNB chain crossbridge was hacked. As a result of the exploit, the attacker unauthorizedly released tokens in the amount of over $544 million. The hacker used an error in the codebase, which represents its own ILOT from Tendermint. During the analysis of the incident, Verichains employees found a number of problems. According to them, vulnerabilities allowed a spun attack, which could lead to a significant loss of funds. For this reason, projects such as OKX and Kava were in the risk zone. The company's experts warned the BNB chain team, which quickly made corrections. Binance has expanded the presentation of assets in Proof-of reserves. The Binance cryptocurrency exchange increased the number of assets presented in the confirmation of the reserves of Proof-of reserves assets up to 24. The company added 11 tokens to the list, including Mask, ENJ, WRX, GRT, CHR, CRV, 1inch, CVP, HFT, SSV, and Doge. Given the expanded list of snapshot of March 1, 2023, the company reported on reserves in the amount of $63 billion. According to the presented data, the deposits of users in Bitcoin are provided with assets on the balance sheet of 101.53%, 556,020 BTC. The minimum indicators in LTC and Doge are 100.36% and 100.51%, respectively. The volume of the USDC stablecoin at the disposal of the company is 5,490% higher than the amount of customer balance, $64.7 million against $3.55 million. Vitalik Buterin set a number of sales tokens of $700,000. The co-founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, exchanged tokens obtained through the airdrops in the amount of about $700,000 for ETH, collapsing the prices of some coins. According to Etherscan, he sold through DeFi platforms 500 trillion Shikoku for 380.3 ETH, approximately 10 billion Cult DAO for 58.1 ETH, 50 billion MOPS for 1.25 ETH, 3.4 million Byte for 5.9 ETH. The total issue of SHIC is 1 quadrillion, and Buterin realized half of this amount. As a result, the price of token collapsed by 95.8%. PeckShield experts drew attention. Cult quotes reacted to a massive sale not so much, losing only 13.7%. The Binance NFT market has added support for Polygon. The platform of non-replaceable tokens of the cryptocurrency exchange of Binance integrated ERC-721 chosen collections in the Polygon network.